In this video, we're going to show you how to install taillights on your Toyota Camry located on the rear of the vehicle. With the trunk lid open, we're going to go ahead and locate this panel right here. Now there's going to be one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Now I'm going to use a trim tool. Go inside here and gently pop this out. Now that we have the plastic trim removed here, we're going to go ahead and remove these two 10mm bolts using your 10mm socket. Remove these and set them aside. Now what we're going to do is we're going to support the tail end of the tail light, and with our palm, flat palm here, we're going to go ahead and bump and push it straight back. What we're doing is we're dislodging the metal post from the body grommet here, and then the alignment pin on the back side here. And once we have the tail light out, we're simply going to go ahead and disconnect the components on the back side here. Let's go ahead and pop our harness out of the little plastic retainer here. Now this tail light has an LED unit on it right here. So what we want to do is just press on this pinch tab and pull the connector off. Like so. This bulb here, turn counterclockwise. Remove it, and then follow the harness up to here, counterclockwise, twist, and remove. We're just going to reverse the installation here. Now these are keyed, so you're going to insert this. Once it's inserted, turn clockwise until it stops. Do the same thing here. Drop it in, clockwise till it stops. Install the electrical connector on the LED unit. You're going to hear it and feel it engage, and then go ahead and press that harness into that retainer. Let's go ahead and line up the tail light. We're going to line up the metal post on the body grommet here and the plastic alignment pin. And then simply push it into place. Go ahead and get the screw started. Now installing these here, I do recommend using a hand ratchet because these are plastic threaded inserts and we don't want to strip or break them. Once you feel that bottom out, just snug it gently. Do the same on the upper one. Bottomed out, snug gently. To install the cover, you want to line up these two tabs with the notches in the tail light. Then the two outer ones, we're going to gently press inward until they snap in behind the tail light itself.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.